Welcome to Freedom Finders, where we use music, art, and history to tell stories about slavery in America. I'm Professor Ja'Cory Arthur, and in this lesson, we're going to make a map. All you need is a pencil, paper, and GPS, like Google Maps or Maps on your iPhone. June 19th, 1865 became known as Juneteenth, the last day of legal slavery in the United States of America. Because slavery was a business, slaves were sold as property around the country. Families were broken up, and Black people were forced to leave where they considered home. For some, the same river that they used to get sold on, like our Ohio River, was the same river that they used to find freedom. See if you can use your GPS to find Louisville Waterfront Park. It should be pretty easy if you follow the river. Once you have an idea of where it is, zoom back out and look for your home. On your paper, put the number 1 to symbolize where your home is. And then kind of eyeball where the park would be. And put the number 2. On the bottom of your paper, make sure you put a key where each number has a label so it can tell you what it is. Go back to the GPS and find the park. Between the park and your home, look for landmarks that you can add to your map. For me, I found the KFC Yum Center, the Convention Center, a couple of restaurants, and a few smaller parks. Add them to your map. I put 5. If you want, you can even put symbols to show what they are, but the key is still important. You can draw a line or put a dotted one to kind of show the trail between the landmarks to your home. And then eventually, add the streets and intersections and label them. This map symbolizes something known as the Underground Railroad, a series of safe houses and routes to help enslaved people escape to freedom. But the biggest difference between this map and what my ancestors used to have is that the enslaved Black people who were looking for freedom, they usually didn't have a map. They just had their minds. They had the determination to get free, and they had to do it no matter how dangerous it was. If you visit our website, we'll have some more information about the Underground Railroad, old maps of our city, and a new art installation all about finding freedom. Just visit ourwaterfront.org/freedom.